To use the maps in Tikom L8000, first of all, let's launch the Tuya app on our device. Next step is to select our robot, and after that, if you have no map selected right here and you want to generate a new one, all you have to do is click on a smart button when your robot is on the ground in the room that you want to map. Then it will begin driving around and then basically mapping it. When it's done with mapping, it will instantly turn to cleaning and start performing a clean mode on that room. Now to manage the map, let's cover the settings that we can see already right here. So first thing is restricted zone. If you have your map created, you'll be able to restrict a specific zones on your map or create virtual walls. With the restricted zone, you can create no mop zone when your robot will stop mopping when entering a certain area on the map. So if you click on that button, then you can drag it around and increase that area. Then there's a no-go zone that allows you to change where the robot won't move at all. So for example, in that entire red area, my robot won't go inside that area. And virtual wall will allow you to create a walls so that your robot will recognize it as a wall and just move around it. Next thing is to find more map settings, and you can do it by going into more settings and then map management. From here you will find all of the maps, and now to actually use them. So let's say that we've just generated a new map and we want to save it. So right here you can do it by clicking on the save button. Your new map will be created and it will have a name, map with a number. Then you can rename that map into whatever you want, preferably a room, for example, pull the bathroom, and etc. When you have that ready, let's rename it like that. When you have that ready, you just created a new room, and then your current map can be reset to create a new room. So now we have our bathroom saved, and let's try to map another area like the room, sleeping room, and etc. So you need to go back and then click on the spot again when your robot will map that area, and then you can come back here and save it again. And now let's actually select one of the maps. Let me use for example this one. We can go back to the main screen, and here we should be able, let me recharge my robot, or actually not. So what you can find here anyway is you can adjust the zones and edit your maps. You can click on map edit to merge two zones into one area. You can split the one room into two areas. You can reset the map entirely, rename the map that we've done previously, perform the customized cleaning, and change the cleaning order. So for example, if we go with that, then it will change the cleaning order between mopping and etc. So that is all of the map settings that you can find for this device, and that's how you can use them. And that is basically everything for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.